Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Prishita Pathak, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a clean makeup look. It's very trending nowadays and it is a very simple makeup look. So if you are interested in watching a clean makeup look in which I'm not gonna be doing very much makeup, it's a very little makeup that I'm gonna be doing. So if you are interested in watching that, then please keep watching. I'm gonna start with applying the foundation all over my face. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128. I am also gonna apply the foundation on my neck to match my facial skin color with my neck. Now I'm gonna blend the foundation in with the help of a foundation brush. I am dyeing the foundation on my ear skin to match my ear skin color with my facial skin tone. Now I'm gonna apply the concealer. This is Swiss Beauty concealer. I'm just gonna apply it under my eyes and on my eyelids. Then I'm gonna blend the concealer with the help of a small brush. I'm not gonna apply the concealer everywhere, on the usual areas. I'm just gonna apply it under my eyes and on my eyelids just to, give a supple and clean look. I'm also gonna blend the concealer with my fingers because I literally hate it whenever my concealer creases. Next, I'm gonna apply this compact powder. This is by Faces Canada. I'm gonna apply it all over my face and where I applied my concealer just to set the foundation and concealer in its place. Now I will fill in my eyebrows with this eyebrow pencil. This is from Wet n Wild. I am also gonna apply a darker eyebrow pencil on the top of that eyebrow pencil that I applied. Its shade is a little lighter for my eyebrows, so I just usually apply a darker eyebrow pencil on the top of it. Now I'm gonna take this Swiss Beauty palette and I'm gonna apply this lighter shade on my crease and all over my eyelids. I am also gonna apply this color on my lower lash line. This is a Maybelline New York Sensational Mascara that I'm gonna be applying on my eyelashes. This mascara is really nice mascara. It gives your eyelashes a good amount of length and volume. After that, I took this bronzer from Nykaa and I applied it on the lower parts of my cheekbones and on my jawline and on my forehead. Then on my cheeks, I applied this blush from Sugar Cosmetics. Then from this palette from Nykaa, I am applying this highlighter. So this is how the clean face makeup look turned out. It looks very clean and everyday kind of wear makeup look. So if you like this video, please do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Okay guys, bye. I will see you in my next video.